Hello folks. In this lesson we're going to take a look at Elif statements and how we can add in additional options for our if-else statements. So previously we looked at just simply options 1 and 2, A and B, for if and else. In this lesson we're going to show you how you can actually add in multiple options for that. So we'll start off by doing a comment of statements. And what we can do for this is just set up a variable. We'll call it, we'll do is maybe set up a little simple program that just simply asks or gets a person's favorite ice cream, and then we can just tell them what type of favorite ice cream it is. We can just simply say favorite, and then we can set in for their favorite ice cream flavor. Maybe initially we'll set it as vanilla. And then what we can do is if favorite equals vanilla, okay. If favorite equals vanilla, so we do a check to see if the favorite flavor is in fact vanilla. We can do print your favorite flavor is vanilla. This is not a very exciting program, but okay. And then up until this point, what we've done is else, and we've set an else condition. Print your favorite flavor is chocolate. Alrighty, and let's run it. Okay, so what happened here? So we have a variable called favorite, and we set it to be getting vanilla, and then we did a check if favorite equals vanilla. Remember, this is the equal sign. To check for equality is the double equal sign. If vanilla, print your favorite flavor is vanilla. So this is a really silly program because it's basically telling the person that they liked the flavor that they said they liked. But besides the simplicity of this, what it's showing you is that it's detecting this variable, doing a check on it, and printing out this statement. Now, this is kind of silly because if the person's favorite flavor is not vanilla, then we can't assume by default that it's going to be chocolate, right? So how do we account for the many different flavors inside of, for ice cream that we can possibly have? What we can do is, in between the if and the else, we can add in third options or fourth or fifth options by using the keyword elif. And what elif is going to do is going to offer us the ability to do another condition check. So we can do elif favorite equals chocolate. Okay. We can take this line and we can move right up. I did that by pressing Alt up arrow on my keyboard. If you select a line on REPL and go to that line, hit Alt up and down arrow, you can move a line around. So I just moved that right up. Okay, so if favorite flavor vanilla, elif favorite flavor chocolate, and else we can simply say something like print you don't like ice cream. Now, we know that not to be true. We know that somebody, just because they don't like vanilla chocolate, doesn't mean they don't like ice cream. So what we can do is we can do elif favorite equals strawberry, print okay, and we can keep on doing these as many as we want, right? So I'm going to take the same thing here. I'm just going to go down here and copy it. And we can do maybe coffee. Okay, and we can do one more. Mint. Okay, so you get the point. We can add in third options by doing by adding a favorite, if favorite vanilla, if favorite chocolate, strawberry, coffee, all the way down, and that's how we can add in multiple options to our if-else statements here. Okay, now if we wanted to turn this into actually an input, we can just take favorite flavor equals input, and we can do something like, what is your favorite flavor of ice cream. And if we run it, we get a question. We can type in coffee, hit enter, and it tells us your favorite flavor is coffee. So that's it. That's how we add in multiple options to an if-else statement to account for different variations, not just options A or B, but multiple options that we could possibly have in our programs.